You may now kiss your bride.
Halika na, dumikit, limutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang mga magpahinga.
First kiss nyo ba yan? First kiss nyo? Wow! First kiss talaga, first kiss. Palakpakan nyo naman para ma-encourage sila.
Dumating
Yay! Isa pa yung mas makikita namin. Yung Ferrari ka.
basta tayo'y magkasama.
Halata pong first time nila. Pero papaulit-ulitin natin para mag-perfect nila. Sige, isa pa.
Madalang liwanag
Yun! Woo!
sa ating pangarap.
Praise God.
There was this season in my life na jowang-jowa na ako. I tried na makipag-date, kape-kape sa tabi. Kahit reto, pinatos ko na rin. I was almost settled sa pwede na yan. But then God protected me from falling into a trap. After a series of dates and waiting, I said to God na, Lord, handa na po akong tumandang single. Di baling wala, basta hindi sa maling tao. And then after months of uttering that prayer, you came. Pero yun, alam ko namang nasa mabuting kalagayan na siya. Yun lang, miss ko na siya. Dumating ka sa buhay ko na hindi maaga, hindi huli, pero sakto. God is so good. He is amazing and gracious for orchestrating our love story. Indeed, everything is beautiful in His time.
Habang nagre-recall ako nung favorite memory ko of us, yun yung time na pumunta kami ng Baguio kasama yung friends namin. Masaya yung Baguio trip, pero yung pinaka na-enjoy ko yung pauwi namin kasi kaming dalawa, sabay kaming umuwi. Dalawa lang tayo noon, we're friends, walang mali siya. But then, I felt that we became even closer after that. I actually had a crush on you, mga one day lang.
I used to look up at the stars and get jealous of the sky. And I wonder what it's like to get to hold them every night. How they first met, what it must have been like. Did they know it was the start of a lifetime? 'Cause I never felt so alive. The spark is turning into a wildfire. Let's burn like the stars and leave it all behind. This is the start of a lifetime.
Dati dinadamayan natin ang isa't isa na kumakain ng goto sa PUP kasi wala na tayong allowance. Tinutokso kita sa iba, yung pala ako ang mapapangasawa. Grabe ang Lord sa buhay natin. at hindi ako magsasawang pasalamatan siya dahil ibinigay ka niya sa buhay ko.
I'm so excited for what's ahead of us. We can do whatever we want. We can finally have our sexy moments. Ready ka na ba, Rar? Dapat pala binubulong lang ba? Ready ka na ba?
'Cause I never felt so alive. This spark is turning into wildfire. Let's burn like the stars and leave it all behind. This is the start of a lifetime.
Ayun yung girl na nasa chat.
Han, you are worth the wait. You are what I was always searching for. And right beside you is where all I was wanting to be. Bulol na ako. Sorry. With you, it doesn't matter where we are. I'm always home. That maganda to be.
And today, I am marrying my best friend. And I've got all I've waited for. And I could not ask for more. I love you, Han.
At sa panahon na may pagdaanan tayo, mahirapan, di maramdaman ng pagmamahal, tandaan mo na pipiliin kita araw-araw, patuloy na mamahalin at di bibitawan, hanggang sa dulo.